And as a part of the Times Now Expose Part 1, this is the unedited and uncensored version of the first account of a whistleblower in the illegal mining case. For the very first time on television, Janardhan Reddy's former aide spills the beans on how laws were flouted at all levels by Reddy and company.
Former Reddy aide, recounting his horror as an employee of the Obalapuram mining company, harassed, threatened and intimidated.
These people's mines was in Andhra, but in Karnataka mines they also asked me to do the work. I have engaged the missionaries according to the instruction, especially Mr. Srinivas Reddy, B.V. Srinivas Reddy, who is the managing director. He was pressurizing me. So we used to excavate material and they used to transport that material in the name of Andhra, AGK mine. It is AGK mine, they have kept me as a front line. In the name of AGK mine, they were transporting the material. Then afterwards, there is one more mine called MBT mine. They have asked me to encroach into that mine also. I have done that also. Since we were maintaining records in the office provided to me at the foothills of AGK mine, all the records.
Now the key witness in the Reddy's illegal mining case spills the beans, reveals the state of lawlessness in mining industry on the Andhra-Karnataka border.
During this course, they used to demolish the boundary pillars. You suppose if I refuse to demolish the boundary pillars, one Mr. Lakshmi Prasad was an assistant manager with me, and he was an assistant manager and a surveyor. So they used to instruct him directly, and they used to demolish the boundary pillars, and they used to shift the original boundary to some other point, and they have blasted the tri-junction point in my presence only. They have blasted the tri-junction point, they have blasted the border stones, everything they have done.
Reddy brothers were ready to go to any extent to get their way, alleges the whistleblower.
In December 2009, 8th December 2009, there was a strong rumor that CBI people will come for enquiry to OMC mine. So it was a rumor in the company. So that time I was also a bit afraid what to tell. I was overall in charge of that AGK mine. So many irregularities are going, what to do like that. But that 8th night, Mr. B.V. Srinivas Reddy has directed his people. They have collected all the records which I was maintaining in my office. They have burnt it and they have demolished that building also.
A reminder of the ugly world of mining, dominated by payoffs and plunders. With Pooja in Bangalore, Pooja Jain for Times Now.